Good morning.
Good morning.
Two things. First thing, today is our anniversary, so happy birthday anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
I love you.
I love you too.
Second thing is, we had a rough night.
It happened again.
Man, I really got sick this time. It was not kind. Last night was not kind.
So lucky she had 2 Dramamine left, and she took those right before bed, and I guess they help. I'm not sure.
I don't know. I passed out from the nausea. So we're gonna try to have a fresh start today. It is 7:30. We are in port at 9, and we have an excursion at 9:20. We have to be off and meet. So we're gonna go have breakfast and try to reset ourselves.
And for those who asked, we forgot the wristbands with the
pressure points.
And the Dramamine I thought I had more Dramamine than I had, so I only looked in the cab. It was only 2. So I thought I was prepared with the Dramamine. Just forgot the pressure point wristbands. So this is why we are the way we are. We're gonna get more Dramamine when we get in port, the duty-free shop.
Yeah. So let's go have some breakfast, and we will see you guys in a bit.
It is the morning time.
Good morning. Good morning. What do we do?
This is 136 zone of the city. The name of this zone is Cobresí. Here we have hotels, villas, and condominiums. In a few more minutes, we will see the ocean world signs and the signs. So you are more than welcome to Ocean World. Let's take a welcoming shower first in our free car wash. So family, exactly here where the bus will be our meeting point at 2:15. 2:15 will be the official time for us to meet right here exactly where the bus stop was. Let's do it one by one. Watch your step. Let's make an eye. I will go really quick to look for your lunch tickets, and then I come back here. Stadium is the place that you can see our magical dolphin show right here in the Dolphin Stadium.
Hello. They fighting. Oh, she's in my hair. Hey. Hello.
As you can see right there, they can do it by themselves, but you have to train that behavior.
2, 3, jump! Excuse me, all of you se está burlando del tipo, lo que pasó y what's going on.
Oh.
She was supposed to jump. Okay, we will try in Spanish. Vamos a probar en español. 1, 2, 3, salta. All together. Decimos, we say 1, 2, 3, salta, jump. Vale, you better try to convince her. Trata de convencerla. Sir, ¿qué pasó? Hey, what? Hey, no, hey, oh my God. He doesn't know how to swim. Mayday, we need a lifeguard. Necesitamos un salvavidas.
Where you going?
He said, oh, he's still alive. You better try CPR, mouth to mouth. Prueba la respiración boca a boca. CPR. It's your brother, man. CPR, yes. So, hey, Angel, just one time, solo una vez. Hey, no, Angel, look at me. Mira. Solo una vez, just one time. Let's do it at the count of 3. CPR, yes. 1, 2, and 3. Do it. Oh my God. Was it for real? Estaba muerto antes. Anybody from the crowd wanna try CPR, mouth to mouth? CPR? You wanna try CPR? ¿Qué pasó, Ángel? Hey, you better try one more time, bro. No, hey, I have. Don't do it. You were supposed to do that. Tú tenías que hacerlo, Ángel. Hey, don't do it. It's your brother, man. Oh my God, fuerte el aplauso. De regreso a la vida. Coming next shoulder of the Phoenix. Victory.
One more time. Again, one more time. Yes.
The drinks here are really cheap, like $8, $4, $11, $6. That's a really good price. So if you want to come here and drink for the cheap, this is a place to be. Now the buffet a little high. Now I will say this: do you think the buffet was a little? It's enough to get you by? So you enjoyed your food?
Yeah. Considering where I'm at and the fact that it was free, yeah, I can.
It was a good free meal.
Yeah. Now would I pay $18? We just split it between both of us, yeah.
Yeah, only if we could split it.
Yes.
I wouldn't pay $18 a piece.
Not if I can help.
No.
Italian, 4 puntos, 4 points, 4 and 4. The game is time. Overtime. Tiempo extra. Overtime. Tienen el Zip Line de Ocean World. Wow. De esta manera, everybody, welcome our super. She's a little tired. Necesita una siesta. She gonna take a nap. Va a tomar una siesta. En el piloto de Ocean World. Una siesta. Wow. Roncando. Beautiful. Everybody clap your hands. Fuerte el aplauso. Hello en español. Louder. Hola. Everybody clap your hands. Fuerte el aplauso. One question for you, una pregunta. What do you think about the volunteer? ¿Qué te pareció la voluntaria? Wow, beautiful. Everybody clap your hands.
Stay away from the fish spa. Stay away from the fish spa. Stay away from the fish spa. Say it again with me. Stay away from the fish spa. So this is Independence of the Seas, Royal Caribbean, and this is the Norwegian Sky. Independence of the Seas is supposed to be one of Royal Caribbean's smaller ships. Look how big it is compared to the Norwegian Sky. That's insane. I did not know the Norwegian Sky was that small. Oh, we get a. Oh, thank you. In this case, it's a cold towel, but oh man, that feels good. Oh, this is so refreshing. So we're trying all sorts of meats and random meats and we're trying meats and cheeses, fancy meats and cheeses, and hummus. There's some prosciutto right there. Siobhan has a wine that they gave her. She ate some hummus she didn't like. What are your first thoughts on this thing?
This is fancy. I don't know how we got here, but we appreciate it. It's definitely something different.
Okay.
I'm sorry?
You want to have another one?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. I appreciate it. And I'm going to try some prosciutto and I don't know, is this cheese on it?
Yeah. No. Oh. No wonder I made that face. You making the same face I made. You were like, I feel like, did you not tell me to stop making that face?
I did.
You making the same face. Alright, so the food is here. Got wings, fries, more wings, and a perfect margarita.
It's perfect. It is perfect.
It is a perfect margarita. All right, we're gonna try to regroup here, and let me try some of these wings.
The local.
The local. So Siobhan got a barbecue, a smoked barbecue, was it? Mm-hmm. Now it's got buffalo, so I'm gonna try both and to see which one I like or don't like. I'm just not gonna give a grade, but I'm just gonna tell you if I like it or not. Ranch. Got kind of this weird peppery kind of flavor. I don't think I like it. I don't like it. That hurts my heart. I don't think I like it. The weird peppery flavor of the buffalo. Let's try the smoked barbecue.
No.
It's smoked barbecue. You taste the smokiness in the barbecue. I don't think I like that either. This
I don't like them.
disappointing.
It is disappointing. I gotta order something else because this is not good.
I can't believe how disappointing this is.
I'm very disappointed. And you know, I'm an advocate for like giving things good reviews. This is just not good.
And they did not taste like this on the beef.
No, I would not have sold you on these if they taste like this. Like, I've eaten one.
Yeah, we're gonna have to regroup here.
Yeah,
This is,
I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to find something else to eat. Let's try
this
again.
is a night that keeps on giving.
Yep, let's try again. If you need assistance booking your next cruise, feel free to reach out to us at parkersonthego16@gmail.com and we can help you book your next cruise adventure.
Watch this video right here.